Hey guys, I'm fixing to be 66 in just a few weeks. And y'all are always talking about my wrinkles. So I'm fixing to do something about it. So I'm going to be doing this every night. This is the Olay cleansing melt. First of all, I'm using this cleanser. Now I gotta wash it off. I'm using this now. Circular motion. Now I have to apply this. So I did all 3 steps, and this was the last thing that I had to do. So 30 days I'm using this, and I hope it's good, because final results will be in 30 days. Bye guys.